Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this temperature thermos cup I just received with my credit card points. I just got it today, so let's see what's inside. Polo Club. That's the LED display to display the temperature. Pretty cool. The temperature can be shown here, so let's put some water later and we just take a look at it's the Wacom mug, stainless steel. The quality is just okay in my opinion. Okay, so inside we have some certificates from the factory. Here's a manual in Chinese. Okay, let's wash it and put some hot water and see how it goes. Okay, here it goes. I put some hot water inside. So actually you can touch it to see the temperature. So it's 24. Let me clear it off. So you can see the temperature. So this is the selling point of this Wacom cup. Okay. What do you think about this Wacom cup? Just leave your comments below. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.